How to organize your Outlook inbox with Sanebox. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Now, let's be honest with ourselves for a second. Your inbox is not just full, it is fully out of control. Now, you open it with good intentions, and within minutes, you're going to be buried under newsletters, random notifications, promotion emails, and messages you don't even remember signing up for. Now, somewhere in that chaos are actually important emails, but finding them will feel like digging through all of the noise. And especially when it comes to Outlook, Outlook doesn't really provide you with a lot of filtering to go ahead with. Okay, Outlook will usually have a lot of scattered mail. And of course, when it comes to the general work of it, it's not going to give you any good things to work around for. Okay, so obviously to get out of that system, you need something that filters things out for you. All right, so what you do is you're going to come over to Sanebox. Okay, and the problem isn't that you're getting too many emails. The problem is that your inbox has no intelligent system deciding what deserves your attention right now. You are the filter, and that's exactly why it feels overwhelming. Now, that is where Sanebox is going to change everything in your system, because you are the filter, and that's the main work of it. So in this video, we're going to take your cluttered Microsoft Outlook inbox and turn it into a very clean, very structured system where only important emails reach you. Distractions are handled automatically, and your daily workflow becomes much faster and much more focused. So before we fix your inbox, you need to understand why it gets messy in the first place. Now, Outlook is quite powerful. It gives you folders, rules, categories, and even focused inbox features. But all of these will rely on something very specific: you setting them up manually. And that is the issue. Your email habits change consistently: new subscriptions, new clients, new types of communication, but your rules stay static unless you constantly update them. Now, over time, those rules become very outdated, and your inbox slowly drifts back into the chaos. Now, important emails are going to start slipping into cluttered folders. Less important emails will sneak into your main inbox, and suddenly the system you built stops working. Now, what's missing is the adaptability. Outlook is going to organize those emails, but it doesn't truly learn from your behavior in a meaningful way. That's exactly the gap that Sanebox fills. Now, when you connect Sanebox to your Outlook account, and how to do that is you're obviously going to sign up with Sanebox, and in the dashboard, you're going to hit add email. And over here, what you're going to do is you're simply going to go ahead and enter your Outlook email. Now, what the people at Sanebox do is, of course, they're going to go ahead and discover the email provider. Now, if it doesn't, you can simply let it know that it is outlook.com. Simply hit continue. And once it checks the mail server, as you can see, it's going to ask you to log in right here. So once you log in over here with your Outlook account, it's going to give you the permission section where you're going to give it consent. And once you have given Sanebox the consent, what's going to happen is it's going to connect you and take you straight back to your Sanebox. And from there, all of your emailing is going to start appearing. All right. So once this is done, you can basically come back over here. And once you're over here in the dashboard, you are going to start seeing emails. So in the digest, you can see we have 6 new emails. And over here, you can start seeing things. Now, let me go ahead and describe this for you. Sanebox will not replace your Outlook. It doesn't force you into a newer interface and, newer features, newer things, just so you need a new learning curve every time. Instead, it will integrate directly with your existing inbox and starts working in the background. It's going to begin by analyzing all of your behavior, who you reply to, which emails you're going to open quickly, which ones do you ignore, and how often do you interact with certain senders. Now, based on that, it starts creating intelligent separations inside your inbox. You're going to begin to notice new folders appearing. These are not random folders. They are part of a system that adapts to you. Now, this is where things start to shift. You are no longer manually organizing these emails. The system is learning how to organize all of them for you. Now, the biggest transformation happening in your main box. Now, with Sanebox active, your primary inbox becomes a space reserved only for emails that truly matter. Messages from clients, colleagues, or people you frequently engage with stay front and center. Everything else, like newsletters, promotional content, low priority notifications, get automatically moved out of sight into separate folders. Now, the important part here is that this isn't based on fixed rules. It's based on your behavior, okay? It's going to learn from you. If your habits change, the system's going to adapt. So over time, your inbox becomes much more cleaner without you doing anything extra. You open Outlook and instead of noise, you see only what actually deserves your attention. Now, one of the most powerful aspects of Sanebox is how to train it. So if we go over to our digest, now over here, what it does is it opens things up for us like this. Now to train it, let's say there's this email or this provider and I don't want their email. So what I do is I'm going to go ahead and hit their move email, hit spam. And what it does is it marks this provider as spam and it's going to do so for the next ones as well. Now, if you want to filter something specific out, you can hit this, come down, and you can go ahead and either create a rule for domain or create a subject filter. I'm going to create a rule for this domain. So if this domain sends me, I'm going to choose the folder. Let's send it to say news. And let's go with replies as well. Click on add rule. And basically every time this domain or this provider sends me an email, it's going to be sent straight off to the other folder, not in my inbox. Now, this single action is going to tell Sanebox what you consider important or unimportant. Now, this is going to create a natural feedback loop for you. The more you use your inbox normally, the smarter the system becomes. Now, within days, it starts aligning almost perfectly with your preferences. There is no complicated setup, no technical knowledge required. What you're simply going to do is use your inbox and the system improve itself in the background. Now, one of the biggest hidden problems with email is going to be the interruption. Every new email pulls your attention away from what you're doing. Even if you don't open it, you notice it. And that small distraction adds up throughout the day. Now, with Sanebox, those interruptions are reduced dramatically. Emails that don't require immediate attention are filtered out before they ever reach your main inbox. This means fewer notifications, fewer distractions, and more uninterrupted focus. So instead of reacting to every email as it's going to arrive, you decide when to engage with less important messages. So even if you were to get reminders, simply go over here. You can turn on the reminders section on, and you're going to get reminders for those important messages that you leave. Now, this is where productivity is going to start to improve for you. Not because you're working harder, but because you're no longer constantly interrupted. Then moving on, if we go over to our email organization section here, newsletters and subscriptions are one of the biggest contributors to inbox clutter. Now with Sanebox, these emails are automatically grouped into a different folder called Sane News. Okay, they don't disappear. They're simply moved out of your main workflow. This allows you to review them when you actually have the time for yourself. And once you find them here, you can work with them pretty easily. So that is pretty much the main idea of our Sanebox, how you can arrange it, how you can make it clean and make it better for yourself. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below, and I'm going to be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that's going to be all from me, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.